Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn shape star, right arrow, left arrow and circle. Today we learn colors name. These are colors: yellow color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, pink color, light pink color, parrot green color. This is brown color. These are colors. This is sky blue color. This shape is star. Sky blue color. Star. This is brown color. Left arrow. Arrow. Parrot green color. This is right arrow. This is green color. Circle. This shape is circle. So kids, today we learn shape star, right arrow, left arrow and circle. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.